A little bit basil. Look at that. Look at Come join me.
สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, it's a picnic time. Today we're going to make seafood boil. I have my hot water boil right here. We're gonna add our seafood, but first I'm gonna show you the ingredients. This is all the seafood we have. We have crab. We have highlight. I don't know the name of this one in English. We have squid. I think it's called like octopus. This one. And this is the shrimp we went and bought it yesterday. So this scallop we went buy fresh from the farmer yesterday. We have now the vegetable. We have a diced onion, white onion. We have basil, not holy basil, Thai basil, a little bit with caffeine lime leaf and corn. And for the sauce, we have butters, milk for cooking or beverages. This one Canadian, this brand, it's like liquidy milk, sriracha sauce, and original of course from Thailand, salt and peppers. And this one is Thai chili paste. I use this brand. This brand is my favorite. It's sweet. And oyster sauce, I use shoyu, or you can use light soy sauce. Now I don't have sugar, so I use syrup in this recipe. Also, of course, seafood had to come with seafood dipping sauce. This one is peanut dipping sauce for me. And this one, I make a new recipe. This one is pineapples and tomato sauce. Now, the water is nice and hot. We're gonna add salt in a little bit. Salt in. Gonna add I'm gonna add shrimp first, and then here our herb in. I add a little bit of herb in here too, a whole lot. Some shrimp, I think the pot is not big enough for this. Some corn. Some squid. The squid, I clean it very thoroughly and I marinate it with a little bit of galangal and spring onion to get rid of that seafood smell. Not everybody like that seafood smell. It helps a lot, so you gotta try this on. After clean it, rinse it with water. These two cram. This seafood boil is
You need a bigger pot, by the way. This is the only pot I got. Smash that in there. We need a bigger pot. We don't have any bigger pot. I'm gonna put the corn out now. The corn is, I already cooked them. Wow, the smell of holy basil. Okay, I think it should be enough. I'm gonna move this basil out because we're gonna make the sauce. Now Thai seafood boil. Normally they steam it, and we don't call it seafood boil. We call shrimp bucket. Okay, now have a look at this. Okay, our seafood boil is done. We're gonna make the sauce. To make the sauce, we need butters. A lot of butter. This is salted butter. There you go, butter. And some diced onion. Smells so good. We're gonna add, wait until like the onion is cooked. You can tell when it's nice and clear colors, and that's when it's ready. And you go the chili paste. I didn't add the whole jar, but it's really big. Picnic, baby. And stir fry until they're nice and fragrant. Now we're gonna add our milk. This is my make it creamy. Same trick with tom yum. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Whoa, look at the colors. So good. We're gonna seasoning with some oyster sauce. Lower the heat down. You not want to burn the chili. Oyster sauce. Show you just a little bit because we add salted butter. And then sriracha sauce. Haven't opened, brand new. Oh, This is sriracha sauce. Bye bye. Not too much. Habit omelette. Chili sauce having with omelette is so good. Have you tried them? You should try. A little bit of syrup. You need to put sugar, but I don't have sugar. And then peppers. Nice and fragrant. Ooh. Gonna turn the heat off and give it a taste. Test. See if we need to adjust any flavors. But so far so good, looking good, smell good. Oh, hot. Perfect. Need to add more pepper. Oh my god. A little bit of salt. That's done. We're gonna mix it now. Look at the sauce color. There you go, you got the sauce. Got to add a little bit basil in there. Not too much. And we're gonna drizzle on the sauce. Ooh. A few corn in there for the colors. Now you need a bag and shake it up. Guys, all done. We're gonna do the test. Look at that. Look at the shrimp. Let's try the shrimp. So delicious. Creamy. Not spicy at all. The crab already clean. Perfect. Let's have with some seafood sauce that I made. Look at that. So refreshing. Wow. Where is scallop? I want to see the scallop here. Scallop, I've been clean them out all night last night. Sweet, creamy. Can you smell the aroma of basil? Refreshing, 10 out of 10. Come join me. Alright guys, that's it. There's no recipe. Just eyeball everything and taste good. Then all done. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.